Before we start today's episode, let me ask you something. Have you ever known the grammar, known the vocabulary, but still felt stuck in a conversation?
Oh, yes. That awkward moment when your brain freezes and you don't know what to say next.
Exactly. You understand English, but simple daily phrases are missing, and without them, conversations feel uncomfortable.
That's why today's episode is so important. We're not talking about difficult grammar. We're talking about small, powerful phrases that change everything.
Welcome back to our English podcast. I'm Emma.
And I'm Robert. And today we're focusing on useful phrases you can use every single day.
These are phrases for real life, at work, in shops, on the phone, with friends.
And if you stay into the end, you'll feel more confident speaking English immediately.
So, Robert, let's begin with something simple but powerful.
Yes, our first phrase is, could you please repeat that?
This phrase is gold.
Absolutely. Imagine you're in a noisy cafe. Someone says something, but you only hear half of it,
Instead of pretending you understood,
which is dangerous.
very dangerous.
You say politely, could you please repeat that?
It sounds respectful. It sounds confident.
And it shows you care about understanding.
Robert, do you remember a time when you didn't ask someone to repeat something?
Oh, yes. I once pretended I understood instructions at work. I nodded. I smiled.
That sounds suspicious already.
It was. Later, I realized I misunderstood everything.
Oh no,
I had to redo the whole task.
that's painful.
Very painful. After that day, I always say, could you please repeat that?
Good lesson.
Now let's move to another useful phrase. Can you help me, please?
Simple, clear, polite.
Exactly. If you're in a supermarket and can't find something,
You don't walk around for 30 minutes.
you just ask, can you help me, please?
Some learners feel shy asking for help.
Yes, but asking for help is not weakness.
It's smart communication.
Emma, do you ask for help easily?
Honestly, sometimes I try to solve everything alone first.
Same here.
But I'm learning that asking politely saves time.
Very true.
Now let's talk about something important. I'm sorry, I don't understand.
This one is essential,
Many learners feel embarrassed saying this.
but they shouldn't.
Exactly. If someone speaks too fast,
Or uses difficult words.
you can say, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain it again?
That second sentence is powerful.
Because you're not just saying you don't understand.
You're asking for clarity.
And communication becomes stronger.
Emma, have you ever misunderstood something important?
Oh, yes. Once someone explained directions very quickly.
And
I smiled, pretended I understood.
I see where this is going.
I walked in the wrong direction for 20 minutes.
That's impressive.
Very impressive. After that, I learned to say, I'm sorry, I don't understand.
Lessons learned the hard way.
Always.
Now, let's talk about first impressions. Nice to meet you.
Such a friendly phrase.
When you meet someone new, you can say, hi, I'm Emma. Nice to meet you.
It creates warmth immediately.
And confidence.
First impressions matter.
Absolutely.
Now, something basic but powerful. Thank you.
And the response, you're welcome.
Gratitude changes conversations.
It makes people feel appreciated.
Even small things deserve a thank you.
Yes, someone holds the door.
Thank you.
Someone sends you a file.
Thank you.
Politeness is simple but powerful.
Let's talk about another flexible phrase. Excuse me.
Oh, this one is everywhere.
You use it to get attention
Excuse me, could you help me?
or to pass someone in a crowded place,
Excuse me.
or if you bump into someone.
Oh, excuse me.
One phrase, many uses.
That's efficiency.
Now let's move into more professional language.
Yes, I need your assistance.
Slightly more formal.
Perfect for work.
Instead of saying, help me,
You say, I need your assistance with this task,
It sounds professional.
and respectful.
Another powerful phrase, could you explain that in more detail?
This shows interest.
And curiosity.
In meetings, this is very useful.
Instead of staying confused,
You ask for detail.
which shows engagement.
Emma, do you like asking questions in meetings?
Sometimes I feel nervous,
Me too.
but when I ask questions, I understand more.
And people respect that.
Exactly. Now let's talk about I appreciate your assistance.
This is beautiful English.
It feels warm,
It feels sincere.
and it's stronger than just thanks.
Yes, it shows deeper gratitude.
Now, another helpful phrase, could you please speak more slowly?
Essential for language learners.
If someone speaks too fast,
Don't panic.
just say it politely,
Most people will slow down happily.
because they want you to understand.
Communication is teamwork.
I like that. Now, let's talk about introducing politely.
Dangerous territory,
Very dangerous.
but sometimes necessary.
The phrase is, may I interrupt you for a moment?
Very polite.
It respects the other person.
And gives you space to speak.
Timing is important too.
Yes, don't interrupt in the middle of an emotional story.
Good advice.
Now, preferences. I'd prefer to meet in the morning.
Clear and respectful.
Instead of saying, morning is better.
You soften it with, I'd prefer.
That sounds cooperative.
Exactly. And if plans change?
Could we reschedule our appointment?
Very useful.
Always offer another option.
That shows consideration. Now, apologies.
Important skill.
I apologize for the inconvenience.
Professional and respectful.
And stronger, please accept my sincere apologies.
That feels heartfelt.
Apologies build trust.
Now, requests. Could you send me the report?
Clear deadline helps too.
Yes, by the end of the day, please.
Direct but polite.
Another polite one. Would you mind helping me with this task?
That one is very gentle.
It gives the other person space to say yes.
Or no.
Exactly.
Now, compliments.
My favorite topic.
You did a fantastic job.
Simple but powerful.
Everyone likes appreciation.
And I admire your creativity.
Beautiful compliment.
Compliments strengthen relationships.
And make work environments positive.
Now, offering help.
Can I assist you with anything?
Proactive kindness.
Or let me know if you need any help.
That shows availability.
Robert, why are these simple phrases so powerful?
Because fluency is not only grammar,
It's confidence.
it's politeness.
It's clarity.
And small phrases create big impact.
Many learners wait until their English is perfect.
But perfection is not required.
Communication is the goal.
Exactly.
So if you're listening right now,
Choose 3 phrases from today.
practice them today.
Use them tomorrow,
Confidence grows through action.
not through silence.
Beautifully said, Robert.
Thank you, Emma.
See? Natural example.
You're welcome.
That brings us to the end of today's episode.
If this episode helped you,
Share it with a friend who is learning English.
and practice these phrases out loud.
Speaking builds muscle memory.
And confidence.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Keep practicing
Keep speaking.
and keep growing.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.